If you forgot your Apple ID password on your Mac, don't worry. You can reset it without needing the old one. There are two main ways to do this. First, click the Apple logo at the top left of your screen, then go to System Settings. Tap your name at the top, select Sign In and Security, and choose Change Password. It will ask for your Mac's login password, not your Apple ID, and then let you set a new password. Must include 8 characters, an uppercase, a lowercase letter, and a number. If you can't access your Mac, open a browser and go to account.apple.com. Click Forgot Password, which redirects you to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your email or phone number and follow the prompts. You may be given the option to reset using your iPhone, Mac, a trusted device, or even at an Apple store. If none work, tap Can't use any of these options and continue until you're offered a reset method that works. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.